Try pulling it out. There you go. Oh, wow. 2 counterweights. Double counterweight. Is it like multiple speeds?
No.
You just move the lever and it goes, and then you take it back and it stops.
Right.
Gotcha. Oh my gosh.
Need to get out?
What?
You need to get out?
I'm fine, whatever you want to do.
Just, you know, you want to go back down?
Sure, sure. Oh my God. Look at that. If you'd like to, sure. Very cool. Is there another one next to this?
Yes, it doesn't get used that often.
Oh, really?
The reasons why, I don't know. I've only been here for like 3 months.
Fair enough.
So I'm still getting lost. The place is huge.
Oh,
Have you been around the building?
No.
Oh, that's huge. And for everything that they have finished and being used, they have an equal amount of it. They have an equal amount. It's just raw.
That just doesn't, yeah.
It hasn't had anything done to it yet.
Interesting.
Yeah, the place is very nice.
Oh, that's like the event center that I guess
Yes.
they take everybody to. And then this is how they bring everyone up, I take it?
No, I mean, I think for certain things, but it's mostly used for when we have something huge.
Like a big event.
Yeah. Because the freight elevator won't handle.
Like that?
Like, I think this goes to.
10,000.
Yeah, 10,000. I think that
Wow.
one's only 5.
Do you think we can operate it?
If you want.
Nice.
You have to push this in and then push it right. And if you want, you can let it
Could
go.
I have a go after him?
Of course.
Thank you.
Here.
Look at the double counterweights.
Yeah, but then the thing is, when we're gonna stop and we're able to got to line up this. See, that way, you know.
All right, your turn.
All right, here we go. Take it away. And I guess away is up towards his back? Yeah, I feel like that's how they usually go.
And I'll come on it tomorrow and forget.
Oh yeah, it is single speed.
So I grew up not far from here. When we were kids, we used to ride our bikes around the school. Long
inside?
before it was this, it was still a factory.
Oh, and you just come in and ride
Not
around?
in the building, but you know, like in the middle, there's like the dock that's inside.
Oh,
there.
yeah.
Because after hours, there was no one here. Weekends, no
Ah,
one
fun
here.
stuff,
So,
fun stuff.
I never knew that 40 years later I'd be working.
Let's see, did I get it good? Kind of? Sort of? All right, you want to do it?
Yeah.
Bring us down. Also, notice how one of the counterweights is 2-to-1, one of them is just 1-to-1, and yet they both go the same speed. It's so cool. Oh, almost got it.
I think twice I managed to get it the first shot.
And then you're just like, yeah, I did that.
It's so satisfying.
Okay?
Awesome, thanks. This is cool. Oh yeah, there's the ramp. Thank you.
Sure.